Good afternoon, welcome to Bonsai Garden with Mark Sanders. Just to give you an update on the greenhouse. I've put all the new polycarbonate in, new sides at the top, both sides, a few new screws to hold it all together because the old ones are rusted out. Light sanding to keep the character of the wood. So well pleased with that from an auction. So £100 worth of greenhouse. It's cost us about probably 20 quid, £25, something like that, or 30, I think. Yeah, 30 is. So well pleased with that. Saved it from the skip. So that's really good. I've got some young plants in there, oranges, and there's a wimberry, a bit like a blueberry plant, but it's the English version. So it's a whortleberry plant. Another avocado azalea that I've grown from a cutting. These are the black pines, I think it was. Sorry, the red pines, Japanese red pines that I got the seeds from the cones. So they're coming on. I got a thing there called a lucky dip because I didn't know what the heck was in there. It looks like we've got lupins and goodness knows what else in there. That's some cuttings from another plant. That was an acer, but looks like that one's not very well. Another little pine there that started to come on. Hopefully it'll come back once it's in here. There's 150 silver birch in that tray. There's some seeds in there from a kit I had ages ago. Wasn't doing anything, so I'm just going to leave them there over the winter as well and see if they germinate. If they do, they do. If they don't, they don't. So some of the other ones didn't come on very well at all, but the new kit that I've got is doing absolute wonders. Yeah, so we've got the silver birch outside, and I think that is maples in there, so there's about 150 seeds in there, and they are starting to come up. I can see them, so that'll be good. So all in all, nice little greenhouse really. We used to have a bigger one, but unfortunately there's a lot of trees around the outside of our perimeter fence, so it restricted the light. But anyway, we won't go into that. So anyway, this will do the trick. This will look after my little vulnerable bonsai, so they'll all go in there over the winter. I can wrap a fleece around if need to. Yes, I've got some more cuttings here. That's a willow, I just plonked it in there. There's a few of those. That's sycamore. There's a few other bits and pieces. I'm taking some cuttings from that stardust, see if they root. I've got a couple of succulents down there. They seem to be coming on. I just plonked them in there and they've gone berserk. They're growing. So I won't leave them there over winter. They're going into little pots once they start to get a bit bigger. But anyway, just a little update, just so you can see what's what. Yeah, the wood looks a bit shabby still, but I don't mind that. You know, it's part of the character. So I'm quite happy because it was cheap and cheerful and it was restored, and it can be used now for another few years now. So that's good. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you're all well, and I've got another video coming up. I had my chemo yesterday, so I'm on a bit of a buzz today with the steroids and goodness knows what. I should be doing another video. I've got a little ficus down there that needs attention, so I should be doing that soon. All right, take care, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.